Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to group objects in Tinkercad. So I will put some objects and first of all group those. So I will add, let's say, random object right here, and now I will group them. So I will select all of these and click Ctrl G or on just Union Group, and now it moves around all objects and you can make larger and etc. And now to group the objects, what you can do is basically select the objects, and right here you can select a group type, or to group it right here, if you select the wall object, you'll see the ungroup button. You can click on Ctrl plus Shift plus G, and now basically it will ungroup. Now you can select two different objects and group it again. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.